Hello everyone, welcome to my another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to add payout method on StockX. So without wasting our time, let's go to the web browser and I'm opening in a Google Chrome. So I'm searching here stockx.com, then click on the first link here, then in the top right corner click on the profile icon and then click on wallet. As you can see, there is a payout info. In the right side there is a edit option, click on it. After that you will see an option of payout method, and above that you will have your info of your account summary in case you want to recheck it. However, if you click on add new payout method, you will see that you can select your region here or whichever currency you want to send, and then you can also select your payout method, and then if you click continue you will see your payout method is added on StockX. So if this video is really helpful to you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.